One more thing about Tesla. I don't know if you recall a recent story where we were showing off that giant stamping machine that Tesla had at the Fremont facility there on the outside of the facility because it was so huge.
Yeah.
And they were trying to find a better efficiency as far as trying to have fewer separate stations and parts and do more at one particular spot. There it is. The GigaPress. It's so big that it can't fit indoors, so they had to put a little roof on it. Tesla's giant stamping machine, believed to be the world's biggest, caught on fire at the Fremont factory today. No one was injured, but the incident is likely to affect production. Is that the reason the delay came in there?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not certain. We previously reported Tesla is now producing a Model Y with one giant rear underbody that used to be made of 70 parts. Holy moly. So maybe this is going to affect the Model Y more so. This is the very first GigaPress, which was installed at the Fremont factory. And funny enough, I remember reading some of the comments on an original post highlighting it. People were saying there's a reason other automakers don't do things this way. As you can see with this giant fire, maybe there's some complexities with this, or maybe it's unrelated. I don't know, obviously. It has a clamping force of 55,000 to 61,000 kilonewtons. You know, you heard that term before.
No.
Oh my God, it sounds powerful. I mean, it is powerful. 5,600 to 6,200 TF. Man. Tesla has introduced another one of those massive machines at the Fremont, California-based factory in September, so I guess they got more than one. One of them, though, caught fire, so that's going to cut your potential production in half. They determined the cause was molten aluminum and hydraulic fluid.
Well, that makes sense.
That would cause problems for you. Molten aluminum.
Yeah.
I think if you have a stamping machine, though, you got to get I think you get used to molten aluminum.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a daily part of
It's
the
a
daily
standard.
operation over there. Anyway, yeah, we'll see what the effect of that is long term. But I'm sure they'll sort it out and fix it up.